Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. I needed to make a really quick video because it has come to my attention that the PDF for the Simply Magical Special Little Sister Edition is incorrect. It is, I don't know what happened and I don't know how this happened, but when I made the PDF, it should look like this. It should be the full sheet. Right? The title sheet should look like this, and mine doesn't print borderless, so I have a border. But for whatever reason, it's printing out like this. And I have checked it. I checked all the different settings. I have no idea what happened. So I just made a new PDF, and it looks like this. So if you purchased this, today is, what is today? Let me grab my phone. If you purchased this, today is Saturday, April 9th, right? If you purchased this yesterday or earlier today, contact me through your Etsy purchase and I will give you the new PDF. I started to try to go ahead and send people the corrected PDF right before I recorded this video, and I thought, well, let me do this video real quick. So if you purchased it before 12 o'clock today, which is the 9th on Saturday, if you purchased it yesterday or earlier today, contact me via your purchase. And a quick way that you can check if your PDF is correct is the PDF title will begin with the word edited. So if yours starts with that word, then you have the correct PDF. If it does not start with that word, then contact me through your purchase and I will get you the corrected one. I am so sorry for this, you guys. I have a love-hate relationship with technology. Sometimes things just get glitchy. Sometimes things happen, and this is one of those times because I can honestly not explain what happened. I've made, I don't know, 15 PDFs over the past week, and for whatever reason this one glitched. So I don't know. But anyway, I do apologize, you guys. Just contact me. I will fix it ASAP. I will do it as fast as I can. I will go through them as quick as I can. It does take a minute, believe it or not, to actually get that information uploaded to the conversation. But that doesn't matter. I will take care of it as quick as I can. So I'm so sorry, you guys. I will see you guys later. Bye.